Now buckle up for your ride to Andromeda. Captain Kurt Victer to Canis Major. Thank you for allowing Kurt to stream into my consciousness. Yes, and I promise to be your best. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Bullshit for ongoing bullshit. Make good use of this building permit. A great shit show, yup, ET phoned it. Beware of your local neighborhood witches. Carry a bunch of small talk and glitches. When the truth hurts and lies entertain, Kurt Victer cooks great on the brain. Traversing hot sands, Bronx on fire. Counterculture fills that void higher. Listen, I'm watching Kurt Victer vision. Time, Kurt Victer o'clock, I ain't missing.
Thank you for allowing Victer to stream in my consciousness. Thank you for allowing Kurt to stream into my consciousness. Thank you for allowing Victer to stream in my consciousness. Thank you for allowing Kurt to stream into my consciousness.
Yes, yes, y'all, you don't stop. Kurt Victer, storm on! These are the words that is manifest. I manifest, infest, digest, soothe the caress, all inside of brawn tit chest. Yes, now Kurt Victer presiding, planet storm riding. Yes, y'all, you don't stop. Kurt Victer, storm on! Word is born, like Vernon Albert, Lasha Wan. Puma Boys home and stomping up a storm. French roast to Brooklyn, yes, we got it in Long Island Sound. Fly landing, stomping again. Full of holy fire, jokes and gestures retire. Kurt ringing rang, right side of history. Excusez-moi, may I have sweetener for my tea? Proficient, precision, following the diction. Kurt Victer marvelous, thank her prediction.
Thank you for allowing Victer to stream in my consciousness. Thank you for allowing Kurt to stream into my consciousness. Thank you for allowing Victer to stream in my consciousness. Thank you for allowing Kurt to stream into my consciousness.
God damn, that sounds like the coronavirus.